Hi guys, welcome back to Maxinescorner. We've made it. Yes, day 3 is going to take us into our healthy eating habits, healthy lifestyle. What I like to do is start my day off with some delicious lemon water. I call it delicious because I love warm lemon water. Water also helps to fire up your metabolism. And I would start my day off with this. Cheers! These are the ingredients that we're going to need to make our banana oats smoothie. Yes, so this is day 3 of our detox and cleanse, and this is going to take us into healthy eating. So the first thing that you're going to need will be 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, 1 cup of non-dairy milk of your choice, 1 banana, and half of a cup of oats. I have old-fashioned oats, or you can use rolled oats. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. A pinch of nutmeg. Pinch of cinnamon. This is gonna be so good. This is what it looks like. This is our banana oats smoothie, and this is perfect for lunch or breakfast, however you want to have it. It's just enough to fill me up. Okay, the oats is packed full of fiber. It's going to help to lower your cholesterol. It's going to help keep you full longer. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't as yet. And that's it. There you have it. Enjoy. Okay, so this is gonna be my lunch or breakfast. Guys, you can have this in any order. For me, this is gonna be my breakfast, and the banana smoothie is gonna be my lunch. So I take it, and I had some guacamole that I made. You can use regular mashed avocados as well, but I did make some guacamole, so I was just going to use it up. Then I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes. And this is, like I said, a perfect lunch as well. Now this part is optional. I'm going to be adding some sesame seeds to my tomatoes. So that is going to be my lunch or breakfast. You can spin it whichever way you like. Day 3, cleanse, detox, lose weight, start a healthy lifestyle, continue to eat like this. Absolutely wonderful, 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 guys. I'm really rooting for everyone. I want you to continue on this healthy lifestyle. There it is. It's going to be day 3 of our cleanse. Once again, it's just a matter of learning how to incorporate more healthy meals into your daily routine. What you're gonna need for this recipe is garbanzo beans. You can use canned, and don't forget to wash and drain. And this is 2 cans of garbanzo beans. Here I have some cucumbers, onions, spinach, and some celery. And I'm gonna cook them all together. So let's go, and I'll show you the seasoning that we're gonna need. 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable seasoning, a pinch of turmeric, a bunch of spices blend together, but this is optional, guys. Garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoons of turmeric. Everything here is 1/4 teaspoons. To my pot, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water. This is plant-based cooking. 1/4 cup of teriyaki sauce, the onions. And I'm adding the celery. Let that cook for a little bit, just so it could sweat and all the flavors could get inside of it. My turmeric, my garlic powder, my Himalayan salt, my blend of spices, paprika, and vegetable seasoning. Then I'm gonna add some garlic. This is up to you as much as you want to add, but I love to cook with garlic. Next thing you're going to add is your beans. I'm going to leave that for about 2 to 3 minutes, not long, on real low heat. It's actually been 2 minutes exact. I'm going to add my spinach and my cucumbers. This is what the final meal looks like. Day 3, little bit of sesame seeds. Doesn't it look so yummy? Enjoy, make a whole bunch, freeze it. Sesame seeds and some parsley sprinkled on top. That's your delicious plant-based meal. If you love healthy foods, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I know you're watching the video, so go ahead and subscribe. Hit that little button that says subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you won't miss another video. If you have a question for me, please leave it down below. That's it, guys. That's all I have for you for today on Maxine's Corner. Now go ahead and check out those other videos above, and what? Stay healthy.